Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can never miss any new video. So today I'm here with a very interesting video, that is solution for the pimples. I know pimples are the biggest problems for us because they especially come at that time when something special should be happen, like our birthday, any parties, anniversaries, etc. So today I'm here with 7 pimple hacks. So let's start. So our first hack is potato ice cube. So for this we have to take potato, gulab jal, glycerine. Firstly we have to grate potatoes and make juice of it, and then add glycerine, 1 spoon rose water. Now fill this in a ice tray and freeze it for 5 to 6 hours. Our ice cubes are ready. Now rub it on our face. Potato contains catecholase enzyme, so it helps to reduce dark spots and acne scars also. You can use it overnight also. Our second hack is jaifal powder. For this we have to take jaifal powder and rose water. Jaifal, or you can say nutmeg powder. So nutmeg powder has a property to remove the pigmentation on your face. It's especially for the oily skin. So if you are worried about your oily skin, so I think this is the best remedy for your pimples. It gently exfoliates your skin. So make a paste of it and apply it on your face. When it's get dry, then wash off your face. So our third hack is multani powder and honey paste. So for this we have to add multani mitti, honey and rose water. Mix it gently and make it as a paste. Now apply it on your face. So multani mitti has a property to fight acne and pimples by removing dirt and all the excess oil from our face. Our fourth hack is coffee, lemon juice and honey paste. For this we have to mix our 3 ingredients, make a paste and apply on our face. Coffee has an antimicrobial properties, so it protects our skin against the germs and hence fight with our pimples. It also treats tanning and pigmentation. You can use this hack twice a week and see how glowing your skin will become. Our fifth hack is haldi and raw milk paste. Take haldi, a pinch of haldi and half spoon of raw milk. Mix it properly. And apply on the area where you got the pimple, or you can apply it on whole of your face. Turmeric is known for its super antibacterial properties. So by its antibacterial properties, it helps to fight with pimple causing bacteria and helps to cure our pimples. Turmeric also helps to lighten our skin tone. Our sixth remedy is tomato paste. For this we have to take tomato pulp, add 1 spoon glycerin to it and mix it properly. Then apply on whole of your face or the area affected by the pimples. Tomato has astringent properties, hence it helps to reduce excess sebum and also tighten the skin and also reduces chances of acne and pimples. Our seventh remedy is sandalwood and glycerine. Both the ingredients properly and make a paste of it. Apply it properly on your face and leave it until it becomes dry.
Sandalwood has antiseptic properties that prevents pimples, acne and sores from developing. I hope you like all the 7 pimples remedy. So try this at your home and please share your favorite remedy in the comments below. Till then, be safe, be creative, be happy. Bye bye.